What is up, guys? We are back today, and today we have a cool video for you guys. This is something I was expecting, but I didn't expect that I was going to do it on this car. But today we are going to be putting on Christmas lights on the Genesis. As y'all can see, we got beautiful wrap, no scratches, nothing. Well, the wrap is kind of fucked up in some spots and all that, but I was just trying to avoid getting that one scratched up. That's all my only worry. But I was gonna do it on the M3 at first, and then I decided, I was like, nah, let me play it safe, make sure I don't scratch up the paint, because the full car isn't PPF like my last G80. So we're doing it on the Genesis. But as y'all see, this thing looking beautiful. But let's get started on this thing. And then, so for what we are using, we got the double 500 multicolored lights, so we could go through all the colors. And then we have a separate pack of 300 just to be safe. And then, well, the Jenny is a coupe, so better, like, it should fit, I'm pretty sure. And then we have our converter, so we can plug up the lights. This thing was like 40 bucks, I don't know why, but. And then we have our beautiful Scotch tape, just to make sure we don't fuck up the wrap, I guess. Well, yeah, because if you do use normal tape on this, you will fuck over your paint, or wrap, because with the heat, once it dries up the regular tape, it will stick on it and then it'll mess it up. But let's stop talking and let's get started. What is up, guys? We are back today, and this is where we left off last night, because yesterday it got too dark on us. But as y'all can see, we got the rest of the lights, and then this much of the lights was only 500 of the lights, so that means I'm definitely gonna need more, because that's 500 more and then 300 more. And if this is 500, the other 500 is just over there, probably another 500 right here, and probably another 500 on the rear. We're gonna have to get some more, but fuck it, man. We're about to light this whole motherfucker up. As y'all can see, the wrap is already fucking up. So as y'all can see, wrap is not going the best for me on my last wrap on the Jenny 2. So after this, for sure, we are going to be going on paint. Yeah. So I believe after I get the M3 done, I'm gonna be getting the wide body kit molded onto the car. After I get it molded onto the car, I'm gonna get it painted. Well, I'm not sure on what color paint I want to do it just yet, but that's why I didn't care to do the lights on the Jenny, just because shit, if the wrap fucks up, we're doing paint after anyways. But yeah, let's get back started on this thing, and then let's see how this goes. Alright guys, so this is where we're at now. So far, this is only 1,000 lights. So with 1,000 lights, we were able to cover up the front bumper and the side of the car, the passenger side. It's not even like fully like covered though. This is more of just past quarter panel and up. But I did have to go to the store and buy way more lights. Another 500, another 500, and another 500, or wait, no, yeah. So 500, 500, and 500. But there's a difference between the two lights. So this one, the one that I've originally been using, I wanted to buy all of these, but they ran out. They only had one more, so I bought this one, and then I bought the rest. These are the lights that I originally needed and wanted, because these just go one by one on the strip. But these, on the other hand, they go a strip, and then it hangs down with 3. And then another strip, and then it hangs down with 3. So this time, it should be way easier and quicker with these. But this one, I want to make sure I use it on the other side, on the driver where the doors are and everything, just so like it matches up with this at least. The hood and then everything else, I'm going to be using the regular strip ones. But yeah, let's get back to wrapping the car with some damn lights. Alright, and this is how we're looking now. As y'all can see, we got most of the LEDs on the hood now, and on the bumper, and on the left side. It looks kind of weird because I have white and then green, but then it's just because I couldn't find more of the white ones. But I'm glad I got these instead, because these are the ones I originally wanted, because these just go by the line, so you can easily just organize this very good. As y'all can see, compared from the hood compared to the side, there's a huge difference in between organization. Well, not organization, but organizing. But yeah, boys, that's where we're at now. We still have the driver's side of the car, the roof, the whole rear, and somewhat of the right, and then like the top, of course. But we ran through another 500, so we are 1,500 lights down now. So 1,500 lights, this is what it's gonna get you. But luckily, I have another 500 and another 500, so another 1,000, plus I have a 300 one sitting inside the car. But I will update you guys once we finish this thing up. Alright guys, we have officially fully finished now, and here is the final look. The Genesis is fully wrapped up inside of Christmas lights, boys. As you guys can see, it's dark, nighttime outside. This thing took forever to do. Still got a roll of tape right here. Good so far. Well, not so far altogether, because it is finished. But altogether, as you can see, we also wrapped it around the custom bash bar, so it kind of shows some light right there. This thing is just shining bright, man. I can't wait to take over the city with this. We're gonna be driving all over the city, shining bright. Just gotta hope that we don't get pulled over. But I will see you guys once we get to the gas station, and then I can give you guys a full better look. Alright guys, so we have just made it to the gas station. As you guys can see, we are shining real bright up in this motherfucker. Yeah, boys, so this is what 4,000 lights on the Genesis Coupe looks like. This is 3 days of work, 4 hours of each day. And this is what you'll get out of it. 4,000 lights shining brighter than ever. This thing is just shining, man. But if you guys stayed around for this long, I appreciate you guys so much. Love you guys as always. Stay tuned for more. We do have a lot of content on the way, and I do got some banger videos dropping. We got all the boys. Hey, another one. But it looks like he doesn't have as much lights that I put on some of mine's. So you just filled with lights all over the car, but then he got it on it. This thing is still hard though. Got all the Mopars out, and then there's the Jenny. Jenny's just there. It's just, if someone were to even like come close to me or hit me, I would just question how, because this thing is just brighter than ever. It's literally, I don't even know. Before I do end it though, I just want to give you guys one more good look of the Jenny. Got the front, side. Let me just give you guys a rear shot, and then we can end off this video here. Thick 2.0. Woo! As you guys can see, shining bright. Oh, also, we did put lights on the bottom bar, so that's lighting up too. But for the millionth time, if you guys stuck around for this long, appreciate you guys so much. Love you guys. Stay tuned for more. We do got some bangers on the way, guys. Peace.